We do this so that we can have a body that functions for us. We do this because we are tired of being tired. We are tired of being mediocre in life. We are tired of not healing properly. We are tired of just waking up with energy crashing or waking up depending on the stimulants and then crashing at 2, 3 o'clock. Hi, it's Dr. Jeanty. So before you watch the next few clips, I want to give you some context so you can understand what we are referring to and exactly what you are watching. We have been promoting an energy restoration intensive, which is an 8-week protocol where a patient comes to our clinic and receive 3 powerful infusions. I'm referring to NAD plus. If you guys know what NAD does, it helps with mental clarity, helps with the brain. It is the most sophisticated and the most expensive medical IV therapy out there. And it is a longer infusion because NAD has such powerful benefits and it does work differently in our body. So you have to slowly drip the nutrients into people's body. So 3 products infused here in our clinic to help restore the energy at the cellular level. Okay, so people or midlife women, high performers, do not have to depend on caffeine or stimulant. Energy is everything. If you can remember the last time you have energy, what were you able to accomplish with energy? How much mental clarity, alertness did you feel experience with energy? And we created this energy restorative intensive protocol for those high achieving midlife women that are doing a lot. They are eating clean, they are exercising, but they also taking care of families. They also going to work and they also taking care of the finances, the husband, they're taking care of work and the clients, the employers. So they're doing a lot, the kids, they're doing a lot and putting themselves last on the list. So the next few clips, you're gonna see my medical assistant, Nicole, receiving her bundle of energy restoration intensive. This is the first time we have a protocol where we're infusing more than one products. And this is by design because I want people to feel some improvement within the next few days. So that's why we're giving you NAD plus, methylene blue, and then glutathione push, and then we give you a mitochondria peptide to take home with you. You're gonna take that product every day. You're gonna come to the clinic and spend 2.5 hours to 3 hours, and we do this in the name of energy. We should have enough fuel aka energy, in our gas tank for what matters in life for us, which is us and then your families. You shouldn't be going home after work and you just crashing and you have no more juice left for your children, even for yourself. You should be able to do whatever you want after work because that time is yours. Because at the end of the day, we spend a lot more time at work than we do at home. So if you're giving your job, your profession, your career, every single juice that you have, and you're running on empty to begin with, which is first thing in the morning, then you're not gonna have enough to go after your dreams, to make the biggest impact, to actually think clearly, to see what the future looks like for you, to actually see if what you're doing now is what you so desire to do. Energy is everything. If you don't have energy, healing will not take place. And I keep saying this, and I'm gonna keep saying this because your cells need mitochondria, ATP production for them to produce for you to have your energy to do the things that you want to do in life. I see a lot of midlife women, a lot of high achievers. They are loving, caring people. They take care of everybody else. And then they just on 2, 3 cups of coffee, and then by 2, 3 o'clock, they are done. This is not life, my friend. So you're gonna see Nicole receiving her first bundle, and I'm gonna be sharing more with you because we are a product of our products. We do exactly what I ask my patients to do. I wouldn't recommend this protocol if I am not recommending it for my family members, the team. So you'll see us doing it, and then because we're doing it, we are experiencing energy, we're able to show up differently. And after that first session with Nicole, even the patients noticed how calm she was. Even she told me she noticed how clear she was. She wasn't stuttering. So this protocol is for those people that are tired of being tired, that are tired of spending money and not seeing results, that want something different. They know they deserve something different, that has bigger goals in life. I was put on this planet to do something. I was not put on this planet to just suffer through life and just wait for my death or just wait for when God takes me. I was put on this life to thrive, to make an impact, to go after my dreams, right? To create internal happiness and joy for myself, to make enough to take care of my family, and also to make enough to donate, to take care of people that cannot. So my goal is bigger than me. And it makes no sense if I'm struggling with fatigue and tiredness. I am not gonna function. I'm not gonna be at my full potential because I am barely making it every day and I'm living on stimulant and coffees. This is not life. Anyways, you're gonna see the videos. This is Nicole doing her rounds, and I'm also gonna share with you Marilyn's doing her rounds and before and after. I also did mine as well, so we share all of that. So if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. You can follow us on social media because we do behind the scenes on the Wellness Corner and Jay social media and Instagram and also Facebook, or you can follow us at Jennifer Jeanty on Instagram. We do a lot. We don't just give people pills. We don't just shove supplements in people's body. We work and help them connect the mind, body, and soul. The healing takes place when you're actually addressing the whole vessel. Okay, when you actually prioritize yourself. And restoring energy is a form of self-care. Restoring energy at the cellular level is the form of self-care. And yes, medical IV therapies are necessary for you to feel your best quicker and faster. All the rich people, all the CEOs, all the athletes, all the stars, they all doing medical IV therapies because they don't have time to be sick. They have goals. They have a purpose. They have passions. And us being sick and us being tired is decreasing and taking away from our goals, passion, and purpose. All right. So if you have any questions, you want to explore this energy restoration intensive where you get 4 products, 3 in-house and 1 you take home with you, and it's 8 weeks. It's not just one, it's 8 weeks. Right now, the price is whatever you see on the link, but I can assure you the price is going up because it's a longer process and it works. It works. And we know it works because we're giving you all the major players in energy production. This is not some B12. Yes, we do make B12. There's nothing wrong with that. But when I'm talking about cellular energy and feeling it right away, we gotta do more than B12. We gotta actually, I call them the 3 musketeers. Like we have to give the cells some powerful ingredients to shake them up a little, right? To actually take care, to give them some TLC and cater to them. And that's what's going to work. You can see how excited I am for this protocol. And I think everybody needs it. It's not just those that are struggling. Anyone that wants to optimize the way they feel, they want to optimize energy, they want to decrease inflammation, can benefit from this protocol. So let's look at Nicole's journey of restoring energy at the cellular level. Hey, Nicole, what are we doing?
We are doing an Energizer protocol with glutathione, NAD, and methylene blue.
Okay.
So soft-spoken. Now, what did she say? So the first thing we're doing now, we are pushing the glutathione. It's a slow push. And this is the antioxidant, mother of antioxidant. It has 3 amino acids in it. It's gonna help. Everything we have here is gonna help with energy. Everything, because that is the goal. For Nicole to feel energized. So with glutathione, you go very slow. How do you feel?
So far good.
So right now, Nicole's receiving methylene blue. We already pushed the glutathione. How do you feel?
I feel good.
Do you feel
I
something?
don't feel any discomfort. I'm calm.
Yep, that's what we want.
No discomfort.
And then once this is done, we're gonna switch over to NAD+. Now, NAD is the sophisticated nutrient because of how it functions in the body. If you go to a clinic, they don't know what they do, you can actually literally pass out. We don't want that. So make sure you are careful where you get your NAD from in future. Oh, no, we're going to Nicole. I'm coming for you. How do you feel?
I feel good.
This was your first NAD plus. So tell us your experience receiving 600 ml fluid. Wow, not 600 really, but 5 something. So what do you say?
I think it was a great experience.
Are you saying that because you're on camera?
No, it was a start. It was fine. Methylene blue. You feel a little bit of a cooling sensation, but that's it. I was very comfortable. Then we started the NAD was good.
Again, if you have any questions and you're interested in this one, you see all the links in the comment section below. You can reply back to this email or wherever you're watching this, and then we can share the link with you, and you see all the things that are included. It's not just the infusions. You're also going to do a 15-minute energy assessment with me. Okay, so that's going to help me see if I need to customize it, how much mLs you should be getting. So we make it so that you can feel the improvement, so that you don't just wasting your money and your time coming here. You're going to see something, you're going to feel something.